NZCEL stands for the New Zealand Certificate of English Language. It's a nationally recognized qualification that helps international students to prepare for further study in tertiary education. We offer different levels of NZCEL from level 3 to level 5, so you can join any level that best matches your English skills. Each NZCEL program includes 17 weeks of study. It not only helps you improve your English, but it also builds your academic skills. You will learn how to write an academic essay, take part in discussions, giving presentations, and complete assessments in all 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking.